Hi, I'm Gwen with U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. This next car is a personal interest favorite of mine. It's a special interest car, and it really hits home. I love it. He makes me look short.
You're tiny. You're tiny, lady. You're tiny. There you go. There you go.
Who's that?
Hi, I'm Gwen with U.S. Classic Muscle Car. How you doing?
No way. Very good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah, actually I do have a car here.
Where's your car?
My car is over there, but I do have one I'd like you to stand by.
Nice.
It's my favorite personal interest car in here.
Okay, I'll follow you. Is that
Follow
your dad?
me. No, just a friend.
Show me, Gwen.
Follow me.
69 Camaro, a Hugger Orange they call it. The car was originally purchased by my in-laws, brand new. I bought it from them in 1975. The car is pretty much original, the way you see it. Interior, never been touched. Engine's never been touched.
And was this your favorite car to begin with, or?
No, no, I had a Corvette before. My in-laws bought it new. The mother-in-law said she saw it on the floor at Solosi Edelson and said that, is it automatic and have air? The guy said, yeah. She said, that's the one I want.
Right, right.
So that's how it came into the family.
Can we take a look at the engine?
Sure. I've got the original sales.
Hey, really? Wow. We got to take a peek at that if you like.
Sure.
Wow. Wow. And so
Factory air, very unusual.
right.
Power steering, power brakes, just about everything. Turbo 400 automatic transmission, 12-bolt rear end.
That is so nice. That is so nice.
Original T3 headlights. A lot of people point that out.
Let's do it under the shade here.
That's the original sales certificate from when my father-in-law purchased it.
Wow.
$4,617.
That was
Always brings a chuckle.
that was a great investment.
Yeah.
That was a great investment. Do you let anyone drive the car?
No, I'm by myself. The wife passed away
I'm
some
sorry.
time ago. That's why but I did, my son and my daughter, both when they graduated high school, I let them take it for a ride, you know,
Right.
by themselves.
Sure, sure, sure. And then do you put it in?
No, it sits in the garage, got a cover on it. All I did today was dust it off and bring it. That's the only second time this year I've had it out.
Right.
So
right.
it doesn't come out much. 76,000 original miles.
There you go. Now, my one question is, have you ever had it like at the World of Wheels?
No, I was invited, but I never did.
Yeah, right, right.
Yeah.
And so it's congested there. It's busy. It's busy.
Yeah, and it's not the best time of the year. You know,
Right. But this is a work of art.
yes.
This is a work of art. Coming and going. And it's restored in any way?
Car was repainted in the late 80s, but brought back to the original, just the way it was made.
Right. That is sweet. That is sweet. Huh. Well, you know what? I think we have to take the car out more often, right? We'll figure out a way, right?
That's what people tell me. Thanks for looking at my 69 Camaro. It's always been a favorite of everybody's. Thanks again.
All right, thanks Tom for allowing us to do a little interview on the Spirit of America Car Show 2019. This is actually the 7th year, and 3 years ago we only had 75 cars. Last year we had 175, and this year we had almost 300. It's a benefit for the disabled veterans, and also the Orland Park food pantry. Tom asked me to talk a little bit. This is my car. It's a 1956 Buick. He's had it before on here, so I'm going to just run by. This is my son's 1964 Buick Riviera. Took us 7 years. It's a show winner. It's been on 3 magazines, major magazines in the first of 2019. Street Rodder, Street Scene from NSRA and Riviera Owner Association. And if Tom just gets sort of a quick shot of it, I'll spin around a little bit, Tom. And so this is the engine. I want to introduce you a little bit, Tom. Let me introduce you to Taylor. Excuse me. Taylor is part of our board.
Hi.
She's a
We got
board.
Ken 1 and Ken 2
yeah,
with the
yeah,
best
yeah,
cars
yeah,
here.
yeah. Taylor and I and a few other people helped put the program together.
Ken really hit the pavement.
And we
He hits the pavement hard.
And
He
we
hit the pavement hard, and I was really worried you were going to have a heat stroke one
yeah,
day.
there was one. But this is a team effort. We had a really great group. We're going to make it better every year.
Bigger and better.
Yeah, almost 300 cars this year.
It was bigger and better this year.
And
So good.
as you can see, we're playing Dukes of Hazzard up there, Tom. This is every year we have a theme movie. And this year it's Dukes of Hazzard. Last year was the Blues Brothers. So hey, for people that's seeing this, come and see us next year. I think you'd
see
enjoy
us.
us. Yeah.
143rd
Same time next year.
Yes.
Orland Park, Illinois. Best show there is in the South Suburbs.
It's a great
Hands
deal.
down.
Hi, if you enjoyed the videos, tune in to the next U.S. Classic Muscle Car. You never know what we might be showing. See you guys soon. Have a nice day.
Right back.